LiveU is providing an alternative to the traditional satellite or microwave track. So whenever you want to bring a live video or move a large file from the field into a studio, historically you would be using the more expensive and complex technology. But with us, all of a sudden you can move large files and high quality live video over cellular lines. The key to doing that is the ability to aggregate several relatively thin cellular lines into one broad lines. Usually we use multiple carriers, and this is how we get not only bandwidth but also resiliency. And we have a bunch of sophisticated technologies that support that capability. Historically, it has been only large events would be covered live. So it would be, if you recall from 5-6 years ago, it would have to be a large political gathering, a large sport event. That would have enough eyeballs to justify the cost and complexities of that. But nowadays that the online community is growing so rapidly into video and video management, and you have so much fragmentation in the market, and even people who like fly fishing would want to see that competition live. You know, you would need to have some tools that would allow you to bring the video from the field into some sort of an engine that can manage the video and help somebody monetize that. And so we would bring the video into the engine that Brightcove built, and Brightcove will provide all the management and monetization system for that client. With our technology, many of the last few years, major events in the world, you know, ranging from the royal wedding to the tsunami in Japan to what's going on in Egypt, many of these events were already broadcasted with our technology. The same way that any of the major global broadcasters have used that, any online producer who would want live video from a major event like that can also benefit from our technology and Brightcove technology. Of course, we love to see our revenues continue to grow at the same pace that they have been in the last few years. That's one clear measurement of success. But on an industry level, we love the trend of immediacy of information. We love to see more people watching live events from all over the world. So I am accustomed to see my New Jersey Nets basketball team live on TV, but guess what? My high school team is also playing basketball, and I still like to see what's going on with them, and I want to see them live. So any live event globally that is going on, I would like to be able to see someplace. I would like to tap into my tablet and watch that event live, small or large, wherever I am on the planet. The last actually Olympics in London was a major event for LiveU and a major success, and actually we leveraged that because many clients benefited from what they did with us, and they expanded their business with us later on. We had over 100 units in London during the Olympics. With that type of event, usually you would see microwave and satellites and fiber technologies doing the main events coverage, but everybody wants the secondary content from the streets of London, from in between the event, from behind the scenes, interview with coaches, with players, and many of these were done with our units for customers from over 60 or 70 countries. And so we plan to do more of the same in Brazil, and we have Brazil is one of our largest countries already. We have many clients. All the large broadcasters in Brazil are using LiveU already. LiveU invented this space. We have strong patents for this technology. The basic of what we do have to do with the automatic load balancing that we do in between all the cellular channels on a millisecond by millisecond basis, and on the antenna technology that we utilize in order to hop over congested cell sites. When you do things over the cellular network, you always have to be worried about how much usage there is around you in order to enable a strong transmission. So we constantly bring additional tools that would enable you to use additional further away cellular towers to secure your transmission. So this is on the technology level. On the usage level, in each of the countries that we are present, you would usually see that the largest broadcasters are using us. So if I would select the US, for example, and if the CNN, NBC, Fox, CBS, any of these guys are using LiveU extensively. With the strengthening of cellular systems and encoding technologies, we see more people actually migrating from the traditional satellite and microwave into our type of technologies. We see the equipment becoming smaller and smaller. LiveU already provide tools that work on smartphones and on laptops and tablets, and we believe that more of this will happen and fast.